Nigo ekero omugiro bwa Borkia ACH University osoire eiki ya gatatu bono ensemo ya Borkia okurwa ase University ya Kisii nigo besokire eligokwanera emechando ayo bagwetera asomugiro yo nonyene kero baganitie gosoma nigo baenekire buna omugiro yo nigo rachie kogera banyurwe ke masomo nabo igo ase ensemo ya balia bakobikirwa egutwa Abarukia gwabo bono nigo bayisabire serikali kwagetegerera ekirero ky'abakora emirimo abo nakogayana amangana abo asobwango elinda abaruki gwabo bayirenerere amasomo abo akiralitko ile bayikeranie amagani abo buna abarukiwa Morikito Wycliffe Orenge nabakagwikira na stinsemejo nabayigo gutwaliganiria oroboti uruo Ekero mogiro bwa bakole Mirimas University inseke ombekia wasu osoira seruki ya gatatu bono ensemo ya barokiwa ase University ya Kisii nigo besokire eriko kwanera emechande yo bakonyora gwetera somogiro yo no nyene ekero baganite gosoma
imgomo imetuadhiri sana tukiangalia mambo ya stock imeisha lecturers hawaingii class na uko tu nangoja tu like we are just left stranded,
and it's really affecting most of us because some of us were given food from home. The food has ended. There's no teaching taking place. We are not doing anything, and it's really affecting us. The money we were given from home, the money is over.
Actually, you know, we are coming to classes, we use fare. When you get to the class, you find yourself like you are there.
Like saona hangaika hapa hivi like at least nifike shule. At least nielewe hivi at least hiyo time ndisonge sababu nilikuwa nimezoeanga like nikienda shule like kaa iko class ya 9 hadi hapa hivyo 10.
Anenake nigo batebire buna omugiro yo nigo rache kogera abanyoroke masomo abo asababeterero gosoma gwetera ase chinjira cyekerero gose metandao sabatebire buna okogora chi bundles eri gosoma nigo kogotumeka chimeza chinyinge mono.
And if the lecturers does not stop the strike on time, definitely our graduation period here at Kisii University will be forced to be delayed. No, online classes is a lot of mediocrity in it. So there is nothing substantial we are learning from online classes. We need physical classes to resume so that we can be able to improve on ourselves.
Si haki kabisa, sababu ukiingia class ya online you need to have bundles ama wifi. Hiyo time mzazi amekupea pesa ana make sure from semester ikianza mpaka semester ifike katikati mahali ako very much sure hiyo pesa itakusustain mpaka umalize hiyo semester. So itakuwa ina strain mzazi ukimwambia pesa ya bundles and then lecturers wanaweka hizo classes online. So sioni ni haki.
Abaroki wa ubono nigo bayesabire serikali gwetera se wizara y'ikisemi gotegerere ekirero ky'abakore emirimo abo ekogayana amangana yo asobwango elinda abaroki wa buberanira amasomo abo akerali tuko rero nabo igo bayikirania amagana yabo buna abaroki wa.
So it is our humble request that we need to address the government needed to act positively to this issue of the online strike, at least our lecturers to consume back to our classes. It is going to boost even our creativity.
It will affect our graduation and the year we are supposed to finish school. Yet we have some plans, we have plans for the future. So all we are asking is the government to comply and pay our able lecturers.
Nonyina bana boda nigo batebire buna nigo basombi bwabo bwachirense ekiagera abateja baba abange n'abaroki bwabo bakugenda University elibanyara ko baba basoma nigo bakolera bono niga baroki bwabo bakobera chinyomba chiabo asengencho masomo tayagendera ta skuru
ono igaga steyo ono bade abo konenta oyomo no digo chonya ko kada division igentege kege konyende nichina kichana chino kango tubuan kango to mede gasingia tonyada ko batoko kona
bono nigo yatigere ase serikali gwetera se wizara y'ikisemi kuligereria gusenjera kibako gayana manganabo amone kyombekia iwasu elinda abaroki gwabo beranira masomo abo abotambe ingo reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwaka igasobo katakati bo mochobo songo e county ya Kisii eretariane Wycliffe Orenge.